Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, we'll explain how we professionally handle scanned PDF editing using a fully manual workflow in Adobe Photoshop, and why this approach delivers higher quality results than automated tools. Introduction to the problem. Scanned PDF documents are widely used in everyday work. They may include study materials, office documents, reports, forms, printed records, or archived files. The challenge begins when you need to make changes. Unlike normal PDFs, scanned documents are essentially images. You can't simply click and edit the text. That's where many people face frustration. Limitations of automated tools. Most online tools rely on OCR technology to convert scanned text into editable content. While OCR may work for simple cases, it often causes problems such as incorrect font styles, broken spacing and alignment, missing or distorted characters, unclean backgrounds, overall low-quality appearance. These issues reduce the professionalism of the document. For visually sensitive or detail-oriented work, OCR is simply not reliable. Our manual editing approach. This is where our service stands apart. We manually edit scanned PDF documents using Adobe Photoshop. No automated text recognition, no bulk processing. Each document is handled carefully, page by page. Manual editing allows us to match fonts visually, maintain consistent spacing and margins, preserve layout structure, clean backgrounds and imperfections, and keep the document visually. We do not over-edit. We do not distort layouts. We focus only on what's required. Each project is treated individually, with attention to detail and consistency. Explore more on our website. If you'd like to see examples of our work or explore ready-made PDF templates and document layouts, you can visit tunur.com. On our website, you'll find sample PDF templates, document design previews, easy ways to contact us, clear information about our services. This helps you understand our quality and workflow before getting started. Who this service is for. Our manual scanned PDF editing service is ideal for individuals who need clean document formatting, professionals who value visual accuracy, businesses that require consistent layouts, anyone dissatisfied with automated businesses that require consistent layouts, anyone dissatisfied with automated OCR results. If presentation and clarity matter, manual editing is the right choice. Final thoughts. Scanned PDFs don't have to be a limitation. With careful manual editing in Photoshop, they can be transformed into clean, professional documents that are easy to use and visually consistent. If you're looking for reliable, design-focused scanned PDF editing, we're here to help. Closing. Visit tunur.com to explore more PDF templates, document designs, and to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you.